All right, welcome back, folks. Today we went back to Prairie Oaks and we're gonna do the Beaver Lake Trail. It's freaking cold. Chevy's with me. It's like 32 degrees. So yeah, it's 5:10, I think. Sunset should be soon. Maybe we'll get some pretty views. I don't know, but let's get to hiking and get it over because it's cold. It is muddy, very muddy. Hopefully we don't fall in the mud or in the lake. Do you have your cell phone? Why not? Well, how are you going to take a short video? No. Ooh, go get your phone. Ooh, what if we do fall? Okay, both of us won't fall. Hopefully. I don't know, it's very muddy. You might fall. I'll save you, don't worry. It's so cold. I'm bundled up. Got some gloves, got a hat, scarf. Started the vegetarian diet. About to go home after this and cook something. I got some soy protein based, like general so stuff, vegan stuff at home. So I'm gonna make that. Hopefully I got some green beans. I don't want canned green beans. I want frozen ones because I want it to have like a firmer texture. But I'll deal with whatever I got. Chevy's going back on his Weight Watchers. He always does good on that. So yeah, hope you guys have some good resolutions and you're sticking to them so far. Really cold. Got some snow coming. I think Thursday, maybe Wednesday night, Thursday. So yeah. Here's the lake. This is Beaver Lake at Prairie Oaks in Ohio, which is located in the United States, which is located in North America, which is located on Earth. Yeah, didn't I say Beaver Lake? I think I said Beaver Lake. Well, if I didn't, I said Beaver Lake just now, like 3 times. You can't hear me? Well, just because you have all that stuff over your head. But I think yes. Then how did you hear what I said? Well, good. Pretend like you're watching Charlie Brown. Wah, 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 wah. It's cold. And this park closes at dark, so we gotta, like, some of them, I don't know, was open till 8, and I was like, what? This one closes at dark, which is soon. Not yet. Right now it's, what's this called? Sunset, dusk? No, I don't know. Sunset. Yeah, it is sunset technically, time-wise. See, sun is setting somewhere over there. We can't see it behind all the trees, but it's that way. Did you just spit? Did you just spit? No. You most certainly did. Don't spit. That's gross. Why? Yeah. What is that over there? Gooses, geeses, swans, ducks? No. Let's see. What is it? Some Canadian geese out there in the water. In the water. Oh, very muddy right here. Very muddy. Try to step on the trees, branch, roots, whatever. Well, at least it's cold and the ground's a little frozen. If the ground wasn't frozen, it'd be really muddy. I'm talking to myself, okay. I'm used to it, it's fine, we love it. Alright, this part. Super muddy and it's a hill, so let's see this way. Follow me. You follow me. Oh, you don't follow me? Smooth move. You're gonna get... Why would you go that way? What? I don't... You got them weather track thingies. I don't gotta do anything. Alright, so there's the sun over there. Kind of see it peeking through all them trees, but it's going down. It's going down. Another hill, great. It's muddy, be careful. Oh, it's cold. So I hope you're all doing well. Get out there and get some walking in. If it's too cold for you outside, walk around your house, walk around your living room, do something. Make sure you drink plenty of water. Write down your goals, maybe with a dry erase marker or something. Write them on your mirror, you know, that way you can wipe it off eventually, but then you're like, look at it every morning, and every time you go wash your hands or whatever, and just be reminded of what you want to accomplish. I'm gonna have to come back out when it snows and go for a walk somewhere. Show some of you. Hold on, there's little gooses down there. Geeses. Show some of you guys snow that aren't used to it. It's very pretty when it snows. Just you know, the cold comes along with the snow. So that's Beaver Lake, and then I don't know what this is, but that's like a river, or maybe, is that another lake or a river? Well, there's something over there, and it's much bigger than Beaver Lake. So. So this little trail we're doing right now is a loop that goes around Beaver Lake. And see, over there's where we parked. And it's about 0.9 miles. So it's a nice little distance. So if you want, you can like get on your little exercise bike or get on your treadmill or just walk around your living room, even in place. Just enjoy the view, folks. I'll go deal with the cold so you don't have to. See how sweet I am? We're back to shopping on what is it? I don't know. Online, whatever we're using, I don't know. But I hate it. I really do. I hate it. Half the time they say they don't have what you want when I know it's there, because I've done that before. Like, I've ordered stuff online, then I'll go to the store the same day. It's right there. Right there. They just don't want to look. And they substitute, and on some things you can say don't substitute, but when they substitute, like one time I ordered cappuccino and they didn't have it, so I was like, yeah, you can substitute for like another cappuccino. No, they gave me coffee. It's like, I didn't want coffee, I want a cappuccino. Totally different. But yeah, it's irritating, but you know, we do what we gotta do. Just trying to keep active and keep doing things so I don't, you know, get crazier than what I already am. And I like going out here and going on these little nature walks with Chevy, and Bella goes sometimes. Haven't been, you know, after she gets done with her boot camp training, whenever that will be, who knows, be having more videos with her. Just right now, like when we take her on walks, she's still a puppy, you know, she's a big puppy, so she'd be all over the place crazy, so my video will be looking all nuts. So no. You know, maybe, I mean, there's a trail one where she behaves pretty good at. Probably go back there and do another video with her, but yeah, other than that, probably not. But yeah, when she gets trained, yeah, she's gonna be out here being a little walking mascot. I'm gonna put one of them vests on her that got the GoPro harness, and she'll have a little GoPro on her back and be doing her own little walking videos. That'll be cool. I can't wait till it gets warm. We're getting us more drone things. I don't know, I might ask for a drone for my birthday. I don't know, I'm like getting addicted to. Ooh, look at that. Actually, I don't know if the trees, but look, can y'all see that? That's the sunset. It's very pretty. I don't know if, a lot of trees in the way though, but it's very pretty. I wanted to come at this time. We could have, well, we couldn't have came here later. It would have been closed. We could have went to another park. But it was actually time to cook dinner. I'm like, nah, I want to go for a walk, you know, catch the sunset, you know. Enjoy the free things, the pretty things, the good things. And go back home, turn on YouTube, enjoy the bad things later. It's like, no. My hands is getting cold though, even with these gloves on. They're very thin gloves. I like them though. They got the little tips here that lets your fingers go kind of go through and touch the phone and tablets and stuff. Most gloves you can't like touch the screen, but they're not very thick, so my hands is getting cold. You hear the geese? Alright, go up this hill. I don't know what 2022 is gonna bring, folks, but whatever it brings you, just make the best of it. I'm all about prayer and hope and faith, but don't just rely on that. You gotta do some of it yourself. Don't worry, we're all getting through this stuff. Everything will be all right. It is very pretty though. Very cold, but very pretty. I don't know if you guys can really see it. See the sun going down over there. Hear the geese being loud over there. Here's the Beaver Lake. You can't probably see them, but there's a bunch of geese over there playing or something. Getting ready for bed, I don't know. Something going down in the sky. You see that? It's like a big black chemtrail. Like a rocket or something, I don't know. With planes, the chemtrails was white normally, even with jets and everything. I don't know if I've seen, it's like, I don't know. Can you see that? Hey. You see that?
Sunset, yeah.
No, that. You see that black chemtrail? Have you ever seen a black chemtrail? Looks like maybe, I don't know what it is. It should be white.
Yeah.
Well, anyways, folks, look, there's a black chemtrail.
Diesel.
I don't think I've seen black chemtrails. It looks like smoke or something, but I don't know. Maybe it's just the way the light's hitting it. Maybe. Oh, my hands is freezing. Alright, folks, there's the vehicle. We're about to get in it and warm up. I'm gonna go home and cook dinner. But thanks a lot for joining us on this little walk at Beaver Lake in Prairie Oaks here in Ohio. I think it's pretty. It's awesome. Sun's about to be down. Y'all have an amazing night. And until next time, always remember, be happy, be healthy. And yeah, the geese are enjoying themselves. You guys do that too, okay? See you later. Bye.